Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel and checking out my new video. On my last video I did with the Alto TS212S Sub and the Bose S1 Pro along with the Stage Right D1 speaker, I mentioned that I would do another video with an even more compact subwoofer that was on order. Well, that came in and it's all set up and ready to go for your listening pleasure. It is the Rockville RBG10S Subwoofer. This thing is very compact. It is a carpeted subwoofer. It is a 10-inch. It weighs 37 pounds. It's 300 watts RMS. And I believe it says 1200 watt peak and 600 watt program, I believe is the stats on this. You can buy this on eBay for $179.99. It's a very affordable subwoofer. I bought it mainly for use in our basement. I wanted something a little louder for music in our basement that could also be used as like a home theater sub. And this just has a lot more power than those 100 watt home theater subs that they sell to hook into a stereo receiver. So I mainly bought it for that, but I'm thinking I could use this as a micro system if I do any small parties in a really small room, or just outside in a backyard party, maybe for anywhere from like 30 to maybe 60 guests. This could be used. Use a subwoofer with a pair of small portable battery powered speakers, or with one. I think this would work out pretty well. It's a 10-inch sub, and I think it sounds pretty darn good for a compact system. And by the way, if you're looking to do this on a real low budget, you can get this subwoofer for $180. You can get this on-stage sub pole for like $30, and then you can get the Stage Right D1 speaker for $130. But it's usually on sale, or you can get a promo code right on monoprice.com and get it less than that. But $130 is the MAP price right now. And just a quick overview of the mixer section. You have your mic and line inputs. You have 2 channels for plugging in with an XLR cord. You have an XLR line out. It automatically goes to Bluetooth if you want to Bluetooth your phone to it. It's very easy. It's very simple. It does have true wireless connectivity, so if you buy 2 of them, you can just press this button right here. You hold it in for 2 seconds, and you can connect your Bluetooth to the other speaker as well. The battery lasts 6 hours. It's a very good battery. It only weighs 12.8 pounds. You do have an SD card slot or a USB flash drive card slot as well. So it's not bad. I mean, the only downside to this mixer section is you don't have a RCA input, and you don't have an auxiliary input, and you don't have 1/4 inch. But as long as you're okay using XLRs for everything, you're good to go as far as connecting to it. For this sound demo, I have a Yamaha MG10 mixer and just my laptop hooked up to it, playing non-copyrighted, royalty-free music. So we're going to go ahead and get this sound demo rolling. I'll play a couple of songs with the Stage Right on there, and then I'll play a couple of songs with the Bose on there to give you an idea of how it sounds with the Bose as well. here we go. That was the Stage Run D1 speaker first song. Here's the same song with the Bose S1 Pro. All right, I'm sure you could notice that was a lot louder on the Bose. That was Bose S1 Pro at Unity. So there's a big difference in unity between these two speakers, for sure. So we're going to go into the next song, which is a hip-hop song. We'll go with the Bose first, and then the Stage Rate D1. And now we are back with the Stage Rate D1 speaker, second song for the hip-hop song. Here we go. And for our last song, we're going to do a jazz with saxophone and some bass in it. Another royalty-free song on the Stage Rate first, and then the Bose S1 Pro. hope you enjoyed this video. That is the Bose S1 Pro with the Rockville RBG10S 10-inch subwoofer. Very compact sub and portable battery-powered speaker system. My thought is to use this. This is an all-seas portable battery that I could plug the subwoofer and my mixer right into if I were to do a completely outdoor, like, powerless location with the sub. And the battery-powered speaker would just be off the battery in this situation. But you can get this off of Amazon for like $190. Probably less now. I bought this like 3 years ago. And they probably have more powerful options now. But that's my idea for basically a battery-powered microsystem with a subwoofer. Anyway, I'm DJ Ricky B. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the sound of each setup here. And I hope this helps you choose a microsystem. Have a good one.